Now I am going to answer for the questions which they given in Jee-mains 2024 January from General Organic Chemistry. First question given below are two statements. Statement 1, aminobenzene and aniline are same organic compounds. Statement 2, aminobenzene and aniline are different organic compounds. Out of these two, first statement is correct, second one is wrong. Then second option is correct. Statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is incorrect. Next, second question, ionic reactions with organic compounds proceed through heterolytic bond cleavage. Only B correct, third one is right. Next, third one, in Geldal's method for estimation of nitrogen, copper sulfate acts as reducing agent, catalytic agent, hydrolysis agent, oxidizing agent. Out of these four, in Geldal's method for estimation of nitrogen, copper sulfate will act as catalytic agent. Third one, number of optical isomers possible for 2-chlorobutane. Take a structural formula of 2-chlorobutane. It is 1, another one is this. So only 2 are possible. 2 optical isomers are possible for 2-chlorobutane. Next, set of meta-directing functional group from the following set. Out of this, NO2 is more than CHO, then SO3H, then COR. That's why option 3 correct. Lawson test is used for detection of nitrogen, phosphorus, sulfur and halogens. That's why option D correct. It is used to detect nitrogen, sulfur, phosphorus and halogen. Seventh one, which among the following has highest boiling point? It is hydrocarbon, alcohol, aldehyde, ether. Out of these, alcohol have highest boiling point, then aldehyde, then ether, then hydrocarbon. That's why option 2 correct. Next, question number 8, the functional group that shows negative resonance effect. COOH. These two will show positive resonance effect. COOH will show negative resonance effect. Next, following Geldal's method, 1 gram of organic compound released ammonia that neutralized 10 ml of 2 molar H2SO4. The percentage of nitrogen in the compound is. Percentage of nitrogen is equal to normality of acid into 1.4 multiplied by volume of solution acid used divided by mass of organic compound. So substitute the values. Normality, here the given molarity, So normality is equal to molarity into basicity. So molarity is 2, basicity 2, then normality is equal to 4. 4 into 1.4 multiplied by volume 10 divided by mass of organic compound 1. So then it is equal to 56 percentage. Next, highest enol content will be shown. First option, second, then third and fourth. So the right answer is for the 10th, second one. Why? Because 3 methyl active groups. Here 4 are there, but here when it undergoes enolate, it is converted to aromatic compound. It is converted to aromatic compound. That's why it is more stable, more enolate content. Next, question number 11. Which of the following has highly acidic hydrogen? So out of this, option 4 has highly enolate. This is more active methylene group. More active methylene group. Compare with remaining these three. Why? Because when you remove the hydrogen from the active methylene group, then it is converted to CH minus C double bond O CH2 CH3. It is more stabilized by resonance. Compare with others. Next, 12th one. Ascending order of acidity of OH group in the following compounds. So out of this, NO2 is electron withdrawing group, increases the acidic strength. It is electron donating group, decreases the acidic strength. No any substituent. 2 electron withdrawing group. That's why E is more than B, then D, then C, last one is A. So then which one is correct in the option? Check it carefully. So here EBDCA. EBDCA, option 4 correct. Cyclohexane, question number 13. Cyclohexane is type of organic compound. Benzenide, no benzene ring. Benzenide, non-aromatic, no benzene ring. Acyclic, it is cyclic compound. Aliphatic cyclic compound, that's why it is alicyclic. Option 4 correct. Now IUPAC name of the following compound. 1, 2, 3. At third carbon ethyl group, 3 ethyl 2, 2 dimethyl cyclohexane. 3 ethyl 1, 1 first carbon, right? 1, 1 dimethyl cyclohexane. Option 2 correct. Next, 15th one. Among the given organic compounds, the total number of aromatic compound. See, in option A, here there is a sp3 hybridized carbon. That's why it is non-aromatic. Next, here it is one aromatic ring, benzene ring, that's why it is aromatic compound. Next, it is also aromatic. It is also aromatic. Total 3 aromatic compounds. Answer 3 correct. 15th one. Consider the relative stability of contributing structures. Out of these 3, 1, 2 and 3, first one is more stable than second then third. Why first one is more stable? More double bonds. More double bonds. Then why second one is more stable? Negative charge on more electronegative atom. Negative charge on more electronegative atom is more stable. That's why second one is more stable than third. Third one is least stable. Why? Because negative charge on more electropositive atom. Positive charge on more electronegative atom. That's why third one is least stable than second. Second one is least stable than first. Now check the option. 1, 2, 3. Option A correct. First option is correct. Next, 17th question. The molecular formula of second homologue in the homologous series of monocarboxylic acid. Monocarboxylic acid. First one is formic acid, HC double bond OOH. Second one is CH3, C double bond OOH. So now total number of carbon atoms in these 2, hydrogens 4, oxygen 2, C2H4O2 is the second homologue series of monocarboxylic acid. That's why second one is right answer. 18th question. A technique used for purification of steam volatile water immiscible substance. Steam volatile, in the question only they mention steam volatile, that's why fourth option steam distillation is correct. Next, 19th question. Bond line formula of HOCHCl2. See, this is central carbon, C point 2 with respect to that 1 OH and 2 CN. That hydrogen at this carbon no need to represent. This is the bond line structural formula of OH, CH, CN taken twice. Check the option. Which one is correct? Yeah, see, fourth one is resembled as similar to this. Next, 20th question. Incorrect statement regarding conformation of ethane. Ethane has infinite number of conformations, correct. The dihedral angle is staggered conformation is 60. Eclipsed conformation is more stable conformation, wrong. Wrong answer. Staggered is more stable than eclipsed. That's why third one is wrong. The conformation of ethanes are interconvertible to one another. That is also right. Next one. 21st question. 21. Total number of compounds with a chiral carbon atoms. Observe in this, it is a chiral carbon. Here in this one, no chiral carbon. In this compound, it is a chiral carbon. In this one, no chiral carbon. Here in this, it is one chiral carbon, it is one chiral carbon. The last compound, in this one, it is one chiral carbon. In this last compound, CHOH, that carbon is chiral. Total number of chiral compounds 1, 2, 3, 4 and here one 5. Total number of chiral compounds with chiral carbon 5. Next, 22 question. The difference in energy between the actual structure and the lowest energy resonance structure for the given compound is known as electromagnetic energy, no. Resonance energy, right. Ionization energy, no. Hyperconjugation energy, wrong. So, second one is right answer. Next, appearance of blood red color. Question number 23. Appearance of blood red color on treatment of sodium fusion extract of an organic compound with FeSO4 in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid indicates the presence of elements. Third one is right, nitrogen and sulfur. Next, 24th question. The interaction between pi bond and lone pair of electrons present in an adjacent atom is responsible for hyperconjugation, wrong. Inductive effect, wrong. Electromeric effect, wrong. Resonance effect, right. The fourth option is correct. Question number 25. The ascending acidity order of the following hydrogen atoms. So here sp hydrogen atom is attached to sp carbon is more than sp2 then sp3. So here it is sp carbon, sp2 carbon, these two are sp3 and sp3. So no doubt A is more than B, then C and D. Out of these two, D is more acidic than C. Why? Because C has 3 electron donating group. That's why polarity of the bond decreases. AB, DC. So AB, DC. First one is correct. Next, match the list 1 and 2. In list 1 they given compounds, list 2 they given pKa. Out of the 4, ethanol is least acidic, that's why more pKa value. Acidic strength is inversely proportional to pKa values. Ethanol A has least acidic, more pKa value, then it is 15, that is A 15.9, that's why A2. Then para-nitrophenol is more acidic, D with least pKa value, that is 3, A3, D A2, D3. Next, metanitrophenol C with 8.3, that is 4, B4. Next, C4, then B1, A2, D3, C4, B1. A2, D3. Fourth option is matching. That is correct. Next, 27th question. According to IUPAC system, the compound, it is the first carbon, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Cyclohex at second carbon double bond 2 in first carbon OH. 2 in cyclohex 2 in 1 ol. So that is fourth one is right. Cyclohex 2 in 1 ol. 28th question. Chromatographic techniques based on the principle differential absorption is column chromatography, thin layer chromatography, no paper chromatography. That's why third option is correct, A and B only. Which one of the following will show geometrical isomerism? First one, there is a possibility to show geometrical isomerism. Second one will show. Third one will show. Fourth one, due to CH2, it won't show. So total 3 compounds will show geometrical isomerism, cis and trans. 30th question. Which of the following molecule space is more stable? First one is more stable. Why? Because it is aromatic. So this is anti-aromatic. It is also anti-aromatic. It is non-aromatic. When you take stability, aromatic stable than non-aromatic, that is more stable than non-aromatic. Next, question number 35. Example of vinylic halide. Vinylic halide means halogen is directly attached to sp2 carbon. So here halogen is directly attached to sp2 carbon, that's why first one is correct. Here not attached to sp2 carbon, it is allylic. Here directly attached to sp2 but it is benzene, that's why it is aryl. This is also allylic. This one, first one is vinylic. 32. Structure of 4-methyl pent-2-ene all is. Pent means 5 carbon atoms. Al double bond OH aldehyde. 4-methyl at 4th carbon methyl group. 2-ene at 2nd carbon double bond. Remaining all are hydrogen to satisfy the valency of carbon. Check it where it is. First one is not matching, second one also, third one also. Yeah, fourth one is matching. Fourth one is right answer. 33. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion and other is labeled as reason. Assertion: CH double bond CH single bond CH2 single bond Cl is a allylic. Yes, it is right. Why? Because halogen is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon next to C double bond C. Allylic halides are the compounds in which halogen atom is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon. No, if it is directly attached to sp2 hybridized carbon, that is vinylic. So assertion is right, reason is wrong. So assertion A is true but our reason is false. Next, on thin layer 34th question. Thin layer chromatographic plate, organic compound moved by 3.5 centimeter with solvent moved by 5 centimeters. The retardation factor of the organic compound is retardation. Retardation factor formula is distance traveled by organic compound divided by distance traveled by solvent. So now distance traveled by organic compound is 3.5. Distance traveled by solvent is 5, that is equal to 0.7. 7 into 10 to the power of minus 1. That's why here the answer is 7. Question number 35. Which among the following purification method is based on the principles of solubility in two different solvents? So differential extraction is correct. 36. IUPAC name of the following compound. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 amino, 4 carbon atoms, but all are single bond in nitrile. 3 amino butane nitrile. Third option is correct. Stability order of carbocation. Tertiary is more stable than secondary, then primary, then methyl carbocation. That option given in third. Tertiary, secondary, primary and methyl. 31. Number of geometrical isomers possible in the given structure. It is 1, 2, 3. With respect to this, we'll get another one plus 1. Total number of structures 4. 39. A species having carbon with sextate of electrons and can act as electrophile is known as carbocation. That is third option is correct. 40th. Adsorption principle is used for which of the following purification? Chromatography. 41. Given below two statements. IUPAC name of the compound 7-hydroxy 1 pentane 2O. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sat 7 karo 7 hydroxy pentane 2 1 correct, but 2 oxo 7 vol, that is wrong. Why? Because it does not follow the formula of IUPAC name. So A is correct, but statement 2 is incorrect. 42 question. Match the following. So distillation. Question number 42. Distillation. A. Distillation for chloroform and aniline. Next. Fractional distillation for separation of crude fraction. Steam distillation, aniline and water. Distillation under reduced pressure, separation of glycerol from aniline. Now A 4, B 3, C 2, D 1. Second option is correct. Identify the structure 2, 3 dibromophenyl. So it is first carbon, second, third. 1, 3 will get. First, second, third, fourth. 3, 4 will get. 1, 2, 3. So 2, 3 dibromo 1 phenyl pentane. Third one is correct. Next, the fragrance of the flowers is due to the presence. Last question, 44th question. The fragrance of the flower is due to the presence of some steam volatile organic compounds called essential oils. These are generally insoluble in water at room temperature but are miscible with water vapor in vapor phase. Suitable method for extraction of this oil from the flower is steam distillation. I hope you understood this explanation. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and like and share with